And by your grace, my mission will be to create an Edo where quality education is accessible to all, where hard work is rewarded, where our talented youth can turn their dreams and aspirations into reality. I believe in the promise of an Edo where every person, regardless of their start in life, can write down their own success story if we all take the right steps together. If the great people of Edo State, the people of the greatest state in Nigeria, give me your mandate, my policies will be focused on unlocking this promise that I make. My ultimate objective is to lead a government that eliminates deprivation in all its forms and makes Edo the best place to live and work in Nigeria. I will uplift the poor, support the hardworking men and women of Edo State, and encourage entrepreneurship and innovation. No part of Edo State will be left behind. From our high plains in Kukuruku to the lush vegetations of Ilushi, from the rich red sands of Sakomba to Esa Land's incredible biodiversity. We, the people of Edo State, we have all that is needed to make our state a mesmerizing destination for progress and wealth. Across each senatorial district, across each administrative zone, in the Edo North, Edo Central, and Edo South, we shall create practical and focused economic development teams that will harness each area's unique potential to create wealth for all our people. We will all working together, build an Edo State that we shall be proud of. A state that is an exemplar for the whole of Nigeria to emulate.
I be my wife, I be my daughter. You know you're picking my husband. Women where we be, make una help me to back una pikin, because pikin where woman back, he no dey fall.
No go fit fall.
What say?
That Edo Central Senatorial District has one preferred aspirant, and is Barrister Asue Ighodalo.
There is nothing I owe this state now. There is nothing I owe this generation now more than to give the right advice. To give an advice that will give us progress, will move us forward. In Asue Ighodalo, we see a man who will move Edo State from A to A++++.
45 weeks ago, to tell me I will support Ighodalo, I will tell you no. But since then, I've seen the good side of him. I see him as a great unifier.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.